Hello, lovely people. Thank you very much for always following us and then making sure that you also learn from us. Thank you very much. For those people who are always trying whatever we post and bringing testimonies, we really appreciate you. This is a free service. All that we need is that you continue to watch the videos and then you also benefit from it. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly make sure that you also subscribe so that you also benefit. Thank you very much. The last time we talked about how to use the Fern to ensure that your partner do not cheat on you, and a lot of people are bringing their testimonies. Those people who have tried it, we appreciate you. Keep on trying our helps and then it will always help you. Today we are coming to look at how we are going to use the Fern to ensure that we break any spiritual marriage. Many people are under spiritual marriages and then they are aware of it because spiritualists have told them, and some people too, it is manifesting in their lives because whenever they sleep, they dream that someone is sleeping with them, and then some other people too, the man or woman will come in their life to marry them, and then all of a sudden the person will just leave. So all those things are just signs that you have what spiritual marriage. So if you are facing this problem, what you do is that you just get enough of this Fern. As we discussed the last time, Fern is just available on palm trees and then by river banks. So it is very common herb. All that you do is that when you get it, you also get garlic and then you get salt in addition. So you are going to use 3 days to do this particular remedy. On the first day, you get some water that is enough to be bathed with, and then you boil that water with the garlic. So you go and bath that water. As you bath, you just say that by your own free will, you break yourself loose from any spiritual marriage. And then on the second day, you boil water with the sea salt. And then you also bath it. So as you bath, you say the same thing, that you break yourself loose from every spiritual marriage. On the third day, what you do is that you burn the Fern as incense in your room. And then that is when you are going to sleep, that is when you burn it. And then that becomes a barrier between you and the spiritual marriage or the spiritual husband or wife. So that is all. And then you'll be free. You'll be liberated from all those things. And then you have your peace of mind to live your life. Thank you very much for always watching our videos. If you have not subscribed, please kindly do subscribe. Bye.